Good morning, students. We are going to continue with our lesson in chemistry, Is matter around us pure? Today, we are going to discuss about solutions. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. For example, lemonade, sugar solution, soda water, etc. In solution, there is homogeneous or homogeneity at the particle level. For example, lemonade tastes the same throughout. That means the particles of sugar or salt are evenly distributed in the solution. Usually, we think of a solution as a liquid that contains either a solid, liquid, or a gas dissolved in it. But we can have solid solutions, example alloys, and gaseous solutions, example air too. Alloys are mixtures of two or more metals or a metal and a non-metal and cannot be separated into the components by physical methods. For example, brass is an alloy of zinc and copper. An alloy is a mixture because it shows the properties of its constituents and can have variable composition. A solution has got two components, solute and solvent. The component of solution that dissolves the other component is called solvent. Usually, solvent is present in large amount. The component of the solution that is dissolved in the solvent is called solute. Usually, solute is present in less amounts. Examples of some solutions. A solution of sugar in water is a solid in liquid solution. In this solution, sugar is the solute and water is the solvent. A solution of iodine in alcohol, known as tincture of iodine or iodine tincture, has iodine solid as the solute and alcohol, which is a liquid, as the solvent. Aerated drinks like soda water are gas in liquid solutions. They contain carbon dioxide gas as the solute and water liquid as the solvent. Air is a mixture of gas in gas. It is a homogeneous mixture of a number of gases. The main components are oxygen and nitrogen gas. The other gases are present in very small amounts. We can have solvents other than water also. The solutions in which water is present in larger amounts or it is the solvent are called aqueous solutions. The word aqua meaning water. Example, sugar solution, lemonade, etc. There can be other solvents also, solvents other than water. The liquids other than water make up the non-aqueous solutions. Alcohol, trichloroethene, carbon disulfide are some such examples. Properties of solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture. The particles of the solution, that is the solute particles, are very small in size. They are less than 1 nanometer in diameter. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. That means these particles cannot be seen by the naked eyes. Because these particles are very small in size, they do not scatter a beam of light passing through the solution. So, the path of light is not visible in a solution. The particles of solute are very small in size, hence the solution is a transparent solution. Solute particles cannot be separated from the mixture by the process of filtration. The solute particles do not settle down when left undisturbed, that is, the solution is stable. We talk about the concentration of solution. In a solution, the relative proportion of the solute and the solvent can be varied, depending upon the amount of solute present in the solution. The solution can be dilute solution, concentrated solution, saturated solution. Dilute solution contains less amount of solute and more amount of solvent. Concentrated solution contains more amount of solute and less amount of solvent. Dilute solutions and concentrated words are the comparative terms. Saturated solutions are those solutions in which no more amount of solute can be dissolved at the given temperature. For example, we take a beaker and add into it 50 milliliter of water. Add into this 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir. The sugar dissolves. Add 1 more teaspoon of sugar. Stir. The sugar dissolves. Continue this process till no more sugar can be dissolved in the solution. This solution is now saturated solution. Unsaturated solutions are those solutions in which amount of solute contained is less than the saturation level. So when we were adding sugar in the water to make the sugar solution, the solution was unsaturated till no more amount of solute or sugar could be dissolved, then the solution became saturated. The maximum amount of solute present in a saturated solution at a given temperature is called its solubility. Solubility is affected by the temperature. As the temperature is increased, solubility increases. When we try to dissolve sugar in cold water, it takes time. But if we try to dissolve sugar in warm water, sugar dissolves easily. We can even make a saturated solution unsaturated by heating the solution. So if you make a saturated solution of sugar in water and you heat it, you can add more amount of sugar in the same solution. Different substances in a given solvent have different solubilities at the same temperature. For example, if we try to dissolve sugar and salt in the same amount of water separately at the same temperature, we will observe that different amount of salt and sugar are dissolved in water. That means they have got different solubilities. We can define concentration of solution as the amount of solute present in a given amount of solution. There are various ways of expressing the concentration of solution. We are going to talk about only 3 methods. Mass by mass percentage of a solution, which can be derived from the formula mass of solute divided by mass of solution multiplied by 100. Mass by volume percentage of a solution. The formula is mass of solute divided by volume of a solution multiplied by 100. Volume by volume percentage of a solution derived by volume of solute divided by volume of solution multiplied by 100. Let us try to solve one example. A solution contains 40 grams of common salt in 320 grams of water. Calculate the concentration in terms of mass by mass percentage of the solution. Here the solution contains 40 grams of common salt, which is dissolved in 320 grams of water. Since common salt is in less amount, it is the solute. So mass of solute is 40 grams. Water is in large amount, So water in the solution is solvent. Mass of solvent is 320 grams. A solute dissolved in solvent makes up the solution. So mass of solution is equal to mass of solute plus mass of solvent, that is given by 40 plus 320, that makes it 360 grams. We have to calculate the concentration in terms of mass by mass percentage. So applying the formula, mass of solute divided by mass of solution multiply by 100, and putting the values 40 upon 360 multiply by 100, we get the percentage 11.1. Now let us try to solve the following questions. What are the characteristic properties of solutions? Identify the solute and solvent in tincture iodine and soda water. Define saturated solution, solubility. And fourth question, to make a saturated solution, 36 gram of sodium chloride is dissolved in 100 gram of water at 293 Kelvin. Find its concentration at this temperature.